Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Discord server. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to delete or how to leave from a public server. So right now here we can see in a public server, and to delete or remove the particular server, first of all make sure to select that and then click on this little arrow icon and click on this leave server, and then here you can see the server is no longer here. And now let's see how to delete your own server. So for that, here we can see my own server, and I'm going to selecting this server and then click on this arrow icon and click on server settings. Now when you are here, scroll down and you can see the option on the left side, delete server. Click on it. Now you have to put your server name here and then click on this delete server and your server will be deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.